we're actually gonna go over a pair of Yeezys I waited 3 years to release. I finally hit for retail. Also gonna cover the Supreme week 1 pickups, and I got a little hidden gem. If y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and hey, with all that being said, let's get straight to it. So let's go ahead and start with the slides. These aren't even my size, not gonna front. My girl actually hit on the flax colorway, and they're actually hard, bro. I think I'm gonna trade one of the ones I have for this one because I love the tone of brown that it is. In the pictures it looked like a more orangish color, but in person it's a darker tone of brown. I feel like an essential tone for those earthy colors that you're gonna be using for fall winter. This is a clean slide, bro. I wear my slides with socks anyway, so I feel like these and the black pair will hold me down all fall winter. As long as you're not freezing you in the whip, you straight. But sizing on these is pretty much the same shit I said last time. You could go true to size or size down one if you like a snugger fit. One last look on the Yeezy Slides in the flax colorway. Let me know how y'all feeling about the Yeezy Slides. I feel like it's a really nice color, something different than all the other tones we've gotten. With this one, they kept it a little more earthy, and I'm a fan, not gonna lie. Next, we got our first piece from Supreme Fall Winter 22. Leave a like on this video, bro, because low-key, I've been waiting for like 2 weeks for my order, bro. Let me know when your shit touched down. Preem knife. Gonna cut this shit gently real quick, you feel me? Trying to not fuck the bag up. And they did send some stickers. We got the foil one, which I wanted to show y'all. Then we got the bag. This actually looks fire. I'm gonna open it for y'all real quick. So this is the foil sticker they came out with. I think it's decent. Honestly, not my favorite, not gonna lie to y'all. Something different coming from Supreme. Hey, can't hate. Let me know what y'all think about the foil sticker. Low-key, I'm still tight. They gave no free gift this season. Probably the first season I've been buying shit that they don't give a free gift. Kind of off. Let's open up the shoulder bag. If y'all want me to do a review on this, like a detailed review, I used to do it back in the day. Let me know if you would like to see that. The Fall Winter 22 shoulder bag does give me SS18 vibes. When they had the branding on the side right here, I feel like that was one of the better shoulder bags they came out with, and this one isn't bad, following in those same footsteps. Also love the fact they went back to Cordura. Y'all know these are waterproof and shit. When they are Cordura, more quality to it. Shit is kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie, bro. But let me know how y'all feeling about it. I feel like this one in the black, or even this color right here, clean. I love the fact that it has the branding on the side and everything. Supreme on the front, Cordura on the back. I could do a review on this if y'all want. Definitely a clean shoulder bag, no bullshit. Next, we have another Supreme package. This is the one that came today, so I kind of know what it is. They only sent me 2 red box logos. That's a L. And I finally got my tees. Andre 3 Stacks tee and the Catwoman one. I'm more excited about this one, so I'm gonna open it first. This graphic is undeniable shit right here. I love that graffiti bubble letter style. Catwoman on it. You got the little yarn at the bottom. It's just a beautiful piece. And this is artwork from Sean Cliver, if I'm not mistaken. But I have to try this on. Size large, and I feel like it fits pretty good, you feel me? Not too oversized, not too tight. Just like I like it. I kind of am messing with this tee, bro. I had to pick up this stone color because Supreme normally does not do this color. So I made sure I got both of these tees in the same color, bro. I don't think I have a wrapper photo tee, at least until now. It is the Andre 3 Stacks Supreme photo tee. I think this is a clean graphic on the front. I'm loving the stone color on this one once again. Do I like it more than this Catwoman tee? Honestly, not gonna bullshit y'all. So out of these 2 tees, let me know which is your favorite. For me, probably this Catwoman tee, but the Andre 3 Stacks tee is hard too. These were both of my favorites. There was a couple other tees that I would have picked up, like the elephant tee was hard. Off the back, I can't remember any others. These 2 were the bangers. Definitely am happy that I picked up both of them, especially in this color. Something different, undeniable. I don't know if I'd wear this on a day-to-day basis because this big ass print will probably have you sweating up in there, not even gonna lie. But it does look clean. Like, this is a nice fit pit shirt, not gonna lie. For me, it's the stone color, bro. I don't know. I got 2 more pieces to discuss. One of them is a sneaker that I actually waited for like 3 years to cop. We're gonna talk about that in a little bit, and I have one more Fall Winter 22 item. But before we get into that, with any apparel, you need to go ahead and have a timepiece or a little watch, you feel me, to go with it. Damn, this shit look like it's the secret code over here. Let's take this off. In this box, we have a Series Z. It has titanium in it and everything. We gonna talk about it. First and foremost, thanks to Sega for sending this out. I do have a promo code, which is Astronori10 if y'all trying to check it out. I'm gonna link it in the description. Pop this open. You could basically see the design of the watch. This is hard body, bro. You open this little book up and inside you have the watch. First and foremost, the packaging is phenomenal, bro. You get this box inside of a box, you open it up, and there's a whole watch inside. Pull out the watch straps. This is the Skeleton Series Z. Comes with the rubber strap and the leather straps for whatever occasion, low-key. Take the little film off. That's beautiful, bro. This watch is fire. Something different than the Apple Watch. A little bit more grown than the Apple Watch in my opinion. I love the fact that you can see the inside of the watch and everything is just moving inside of there. I feel like it's a clean design and it has that grown man strap too. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this shit a lot. The watch is gonna be linked in the description if y'all aren't interested. It's the Sega Skeleton Z series. They have a lot of clean options on their website. Make sure y'all check them out in the description. Use my promo code. But let's talk about the sneaker I've been waiting for 3+ years. It's these 700s, bro. The Vanta 700s. These were a must, bro. I've been waiting on this sneaker to release for so long, and I'm so glad that it's finally here in my possession. I haven't fully pulled them out, so I had to see them. These are clean. Basically, the Donda 700s, the all black. That's when Kanye started doing that shit. These Vantas are everything, bro. I'm fucking with these. I feel like it goes with literally any fit that you throw at it. It's my first pair of V2s. I love what they did with the V2. Low-key, this silhouette is a little bit better than the V1, but the Wave Runner colorway is still my favorite just because of the colorway. At the end of the day, I'm gonna have to do a video comparing all three models. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about the Vantas. Low-key, I feel like it's a must in any sneaker collection simply because of the colorway with the washed out blacks. Makes it so you could wear this sneaker with realistically anything. Comment below what was the last sneaker you were waiting on and it restocked and you hit for retail. That's probably like one of the best feelings. So shout out to the Vantas right here. Gotta throw these on feet with some fits. I'm gonna try to show y'all whenever I do. Then last up, we had this one more package via Supreme, and it's low-key the first item I got from the drop that got here. Y'all already see what it is, but let's go over some of these stickers. 2 regular box logos. Got this one, the hell no, stop right there, sir. Then we got the trash with the Statue of Liberty. This was a picture by Louis, and we got another foil sticker. So hey, shout out Supreme for the double foil. Hopefully they were throwing these in every order, because the fact we ain't have no free item is still up here, bro. But if you're this far into the video, leave a like on it, bro. Like, you're already here, might as well. This is the Toyo Supreme T320 Toolbox. I decided to get it in the blue color simply because everything I have from Supreme mainly is red. So let's switch it up a little bit. You could just slide this out, take the little plastic, then you got that Supreme dead and center on the front of this. I actually think this is hard body. You can put your tools in here, some shit like that. A nice tone of blue. It wasn't too expensive, nothing like that. I definitely will find a use for this, whether it's USB cables, little shit you need for cameras, bolts, Supreme screwdrivers, shit like that. You feel me? You could put different things in here. Stickers. I think the little toolbox is clean. One day in my life, I'll be needing this shit. Who knows? Got that little design on the bottom, which I kind of like. Made in Japan. Clean little toolbox. But that was the last item in this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this one. Comment below what was your pickup from Supreme Week 1 if you had one. If not, what was the last thing that you copped? Stay tuned because there's way more content on the way. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.